often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you brush your teeth?
How often do you? How often do you?
Always, always, I always brush my teeth. How often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you use chopsticks?
How often do you? How often do you?
I usually use chopsticks. How often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you take out the trash?
How often do you? How often do you?
Often, I often take out the trash. How often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you do the laundry?
How often do you? How often do you?
Sometimes, I sometimes do the laundry. How often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you bake cookies?
How often do you? How often do you?
Rarely, I rarely make cookies. How often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you drive a car?
How often do you? How often do you?
Never, I never drive a car.